Alright, suppose the following set of 21 check marks represents 3.5/8. How many check marks would represent 5/8? So I know that I can represent 3.5/8 as 7/2. And so what that means is I have 7 copies of this. Right? I have 7 copies of that. So I have, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's telling me that, right, this represents 21 check marks. So these are all equivalent to each other and they represent 21 check marks. So that must mean that each of these represents 3 check marks. Right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So in other words, 1/2 represents 3 check marks. And it's asking me how many check marks would represent 5/8. So if this represents 3.5, then this would represent, then I need to add this. This would be like 4/8. This would make 4.5/8. And this would make 5/8. And I know that this is 3, so that would make 24. This is another 3, that would make 27. And this is another 3, and that would make 30. Right? So this is a whole, it's 1/8 rather, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8. So there would be 30 check marks. In 5/8.